Morning guys, how's it going? It's Dan here from Flipping Cars and Repairs. Bought another amazing car. In the pictures it actually looked alright, but I didn't realise it's that bad. I was actually hoping that this wasn't that bad and then I could have sprayed it, but it's literally gone all here, all there, and trying to find a wing is literally impossible for this, so I might have to buy a pattern one and spray it. It's not actually that big, but look. Totally buggered. Anyway, tyres all good. Changes hubcaps. Yes, obviously got that wing. That's all right. Look at that nice algae. This has been sitting for some time by the looks of things. It's everywhere. Mirror's all right. Look at that. But I'll be cleaning all this, so it'll be all nice and clean. No dents on that side. Slight little scuff around here, but that should all polish out. Nice decent tyre. Maxis, it was just a cheap one in it, but no cracks or anything. That's all good. Good tread. Backlight's alright. Other backlight's alright. As you can see, still another bit of moss. It's only a 56 plate. This side is actually alright, a few little scuffs. This tyre is a maxi as well, so all matching. There's no rot underneath, which is pretty amazing on these cars because they normally rot all along here. It's just been sitting for such a long time. This tyre will definitely need changing because look at that. I can't sell that like that, and it's got no MOT anyway, so the MOT will pick that up. So that needs changing. This needs a little bit of touch up. It's done 98,000. The interior is very dirty as usual, but there's no rips or tears or nothing, so that'll clean up nicely. Yeah, it's done 98,000. Dries perfectly fine. It's just bloody and noisy. Got the usual crack there. I might replace it, I might not. It's only a cheap car anyway. It's annoying because there's no service history, because in this car it doesn't have a glove box, which is freaking frustrating because normally they're in there or under the seat. But nope, nothing. But yeah, look how disgusting that is, but you wait until I finish with it. Be looking like a new car. So far the issue is obviously it ain't got MOT. More moss there. It's disgusting. Windscreen's actually good, so that's pretty cool. And this is the issue, obviously this is chain. So it's done 98,000, there's no noise, it starts every time, perfect. This is the main culprit. As you can see, it is completely corroded, and there's actually meant to be a bolt there. Ouch, that's quite hot. And a bolt inside underneath. Can you see that? Well, that exhaust is not meant to like that. So, oh, it's got a new alternator as well. Just a RTX one, which is, I think it's just a cheap one, but it's better than nothing. So as you can see, I've just bought a new cap, which comes with literally everything. The gaskets, you name it. Well, look, that it's meant to look like that. Exhaust is running, sounding nice and sweet. See, I've done that, done that. This didn't seal very well. I don't know if it's because it's a Chinese cat and it's just not very good quality, so put a bit of gum around it, and then I put the exhaust back on, and now it seems to be running sweet as. So as you can hear, there's literally no blowing. So now we've got to put the bumper back on, and next thing is sort this wing out. So what I was going to do was obviously buy a second-hand wing, and no one wants to send them at the moment because they keep on getting damaged by the courier because they're so flimsy and rubbish. So I might buy a whole pattern part for 60 quid, because obviously second-hand they're about 100 quid for epoxy one of these wings, because they just rust on this side all the time, so they're so hard to find I can never find one. So what I'm going to do is buy a pattern part of this, and then it's such a small wing, I'm just going to spray it, polish it all back up. I'm going to wet and dry these as well, so they're all nice and shiny. As you can see, look at the rust on that. Apart from that, give this whole car a clean, put the spare tyre on and get another tyre for that. Buy some new hubcaps because they're all just mullered, didn't they? So for the sake of 20-30 quid I put some new hubcaps in. What else? Yeah, and basically give it a good old clean and take it in for an MOT. So fingers crossed, next time you see it, this will be all cleaned up and ready for MOT. Much better. Obviously it needs polishing yet. New wing. Give this quick hoover, ready for the MOT, just so it's nice and tidy, looks half decent. Much better. Just got to do obviously the nick and cranny bits, like all the little compartments and stuff down here. I've hoovered it all, so it's all clean now. Just got to dust it and, you know, do the little detailing bits. So yeah, it's looking better. These mats need shampooing because they're actually in good condition. Same as that one, they're all good. So I might have to shampoo them. But let's get it MOT'd first and go from there. Right guys, we're off to the MOT place now for the Citroen C1. So we're going to see how it passes or fails or whatever. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Right guys, the car failed. Obviously it failed on the wing area, which I knew about because I've already ordered a new one. It's also failed on the emissions, and guess what guys, I've just put a new cat on it and it's failed on the emissions with the cap. So never buy cheap cats, trust me, it's just not worth it, because now I've got to take it off, I've got to buy a more expensive one and pee about and take it all back to the MOT. Rant over. Right everyone, it's bad news. Put a new cat on. Nice new one. Obviously this is the second one now and it's still smoking like anything. It wasn't smoking before when I first got the car and started it up, but now I've just basically done, obviously I've checked the oil, there's no mayonnaise or nothing on there, there's nothing on there whatsoever. Check the cap, that's all perfectly fine. I checked all 3 cylinders, they were doing 100 psi or whatever it is on all 3, so I thought alright, maybe it's not head gasket. Went and used this old trusty friend, the blue liquid. Gone and shoved it on here, and look what's happened. I am fuming, absolutely fuming. So now this car is buggered, needs a new head gasket. So wings all turned up, cats all, I bought a wing, 65 quid. I bought the spray paint, that's another 20 quid. I bought the cap, which was near 100 quid. So I'm in this now for over 750 quid, and now it's buggered. So I'm not sure what to do now. Probably scrap it. 200 quid. Lose another bloody £500–600. It's going really well lately, this month. Oh well, anyway, thought I'd let you know what's going on. See you later.